Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a propane line on your trailer or on your barbecue. Now, something to notice on a barbecue is here the regulator is in the line itself. On a trailer, it's generally going to be not on the bottle itself, but usually mounted to the rig. Either way, you want to make sure you get the right line for your situation. There are also different size fittings here, so I have them all linked down in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Just make sure you get the right part before you do this. Now we're going to start the process by making sure our tank is turned off and then unscrewing this hose. Now you do want to watch this video to the very end because I'm going to show you how to check all these fittings and make sure they're leak proof so you don't have any problems later. Next we'll come in here with our wrench and take the line itself off of the trailer. Next we're going to take our new line and some Teflon tape and coat the threads with Teflon tape. This will prevent any leaks. Now the process is exactly the same if you're doing this on a barbecue, it's just a different hose. And I'll have those linked, like I said before, down below so you can check them all out for yourself. Then we come back in here, thread our new line in place. With the line hooked up, we can now hook the other end up to our propane bottle. And now to leak check everything. We're going to turn our propane cylinder back on and then grab a spray bottle of soapy water and spray that on your connections. And here you can see right here we do have some leaking because we got some bubbles, so we know we're not totally tight, so we may have to take that off and rewrap it or just tighten it down. So now with it tightened completely down, I have no leaks, and we are ready for our next camping trip. Now another pointer I do have is down below this thing I have a sensor. It is the best propane tank level sensor I've ever used. It pairs with your phone. I'm gonna have another video of that coming out real soon, so if you're looking for a gauge to know how much propane you've got, hit the subscribe button because that video is gonna be coming out real soon. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of stuff you're working on. Maybe I can make a video just for you. Thanks for watching. Fixing the trailer. It's always broken. It's like a boat you just don't put in the water.